Alright, so I thought I'd do a little video here on a good amount of my RTUs. So I've done a video before of my in-house Siren system, but I have a couple more of my RTUs plugged in that are a part of my system. So obviously we have the Ultra Voice right there. It's on an MC tone file like usual. We have the Prototype FC right there. Then behind the camera here we have a FCM Plus that is running tone generation. And then over there is my Siretone. So we have 3 electronic Sirens up right now. In total we have about 5 RTUs in the house right now. Obviously there's no radio on the Siretone right now, but that'll be, that might change here soon. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to do a sound off of the system, but only the electronic Sirens. The Thunderbolt's not hooked up right now, and the FC over there you will not hear because there's no tone generation coming from it. With that being said, we are going to do a sound off of the entire system, but the only things audible will be the electronic Sirens. So we're going to start off with chimes, which will only be audible on the UV and the Siretone. So here we go. Okay? Now we are going to start everything up in wail. So here we go. Okay? Gonna let the canceled tones finish out. Like stated before, I have cancel set to go 3 times for a retry. There we go. Now we are going to do steady. Here we go. Okay? that being said, that's all I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoyed.